So the next way to have that creative mindset all the time is to constantly put new ideas and concept and method in novice way all the time. So like for example, let's take the example of exercise again. If you like running, try to put a different schedule or route of running together to keep to build the habit of being creative. So like for example, if you tend to run on one path, be creative and try to find a different path to run. Or if you like running and right now you're running 20 minutes, try out different time frame like run 10 minutes and 10 minutes again, or 15 minutes one time and then 5 minutes another time. So when you keep putting new routine for the same exercise routine, you are being creative. You are using exercise and running in multiple ways. That means you are creative. Basically, creativity means doing the same thing in different ways. And then, or when it comes to your eating habit, try out how to cook broccoli different ways. If you can find a way to cook broccoli as many ways as possible, that is creative right there. So by doing that all the time with different idea, method, and the things that you do daily in your life, you are building your mindset up to be creative. And when you can do that, it will help you be prepared to be ready to solve future problems successfully. Because, for example, we do not know what kind of problem we will face tomorrow. The only thing we can do is be prepared to solve that problem successfully. But if we have a new problem, which means we need a new way to solve that problem, right? But when you're in the habit all the time of putting new idea and concept all the time, that means you are practicing of being creative. So when a problem manifests, you are in a better position to be creative to come up with a successful solution for your life problems. And the third way why it is important to put new idea and concept together is it will keep your life interesting, especially things you have to do that is boring. Like for example, exercise. If you can put new routine and different way to exercise, that will keep your life interesting and motivated to exercise. But if you keep running the same time, the same route all the time, sometimes it can get boring and they will decrease our motivation. So it's same with things that you do around the house daily, such as cleaning, doing laundry, cleaning your house. Um, Try out different routine, different way, different method to clean your house, to do your chores. By keeping those things interesting, it will keep your mind creative because the mind has to stay positive. The mind has to be positive and open. That's how you come up with creative idea. So, but if you're in the habit of doing new things in new way all the time, that means your mind is always open to think outside the box and try new ways.